Testing, testing. Oh, I've been so busy with my part-time work. Let's get back to working on the game. Let me just look up my to-do list. Give me a moment, I need to turn on the fan. Testing. Okay. Oh, there's so much to do. Anyways, I got some feedback, and I think, based on the feedback, right, I'm going to remove the jump button. Yeah, I'm going to try removing the jump button. I got a feedback saying that that might be a bit redundant, because the entire screen is already the input, so I can take that away, make the game look a bit cleaner. So I'm gonna try it out and see if that works out fine. Just a moment, eh? Remove jump button, right, that's the thing that I'm looking at. Let's take a look. I actually took that out during the day. Let me just compile the game, let's see everything works properly. Whoa, that's loud. So you can see that there used to be a button here. I've taken that out. How loud is that? It's a pretty loud game here. Okay, so just click here. That seems to work fine. I think things more or less work. Even without the button. It might look even cleaner, but there is an issue in that there are certain parts of the game that assumes the existence of that button. Like for example, the opening cutscene. Right, let me just bring it out. So for example, there used to be a button that will pop up here, right? But it's gone now. Alright, I removed the button. Or rather, I'm not drawing the button. The button is there, I'm just not drawing it. So what do I do now? Right, what do I put in place of the button? What do I do? Let me think. I can put a sequence there, right? That should work. Would that work? I think that would work. That should work. I'll be a bit slow today, you know, I spent the entire day busy with part-time work. So my speed will be pretty slow today. Whoa. Luna was here. Hello. Thanks for the follow. What should I do? Let me just... bring up the cutscene, I guess. Quite a bit of stuff to do. Remove jump button. Start music at different point. Dynamic music is not done yet. Make spring more lenient. The thing about removing the jump button is that I kind of want there to be some kind of a feedback for when you touch the screen. Maybe I can spray particles, right? If I don't have the button, maybe I can spray particles where the player touched the screen. That could work. Hey Kalazor, what's up? I'm teaching that practice. Let me see, what are you talking about? There's a small bug with this where you have a specific height above an object that has a depth sorting enabled. The hand will clip through. You're just gonna leave this bug in. Right. That's not bad practice. That's the real world. Welcome to the real world. Stop being naive. Okay, let's see. What do I do now? Anyway, looking good. The stuff that you have. What's next for you? Breaking out. Let me get a drink of water. Probably guns because you can set the depth based on the hand in front. Cool. Daply. Are you sorting them based on the Y position? Fun times. I might not be in the right state of mind to be working. I spent the entire day grading stuff. You know what? You know what I have to do for the grading? I have to play. I have to play like how many dozen levels? It's a level design module, so I spent like the last 3 days just playing some platformer levels. I swear I'm gonna go crazy from playing so many of them. Okay. Do I ever get canned fish? Yeah, sometimes. You mean like canned sardine? Is that what you mean? Tuna, salmon. Yeah, I do. Tuna especially. I spread it on some bread. Good stuff. It's filled with bones? Oh no. Oh dear. That's not good. I have a problem now. I do not know what I need to do for the cutscene. I got some feedback from the App Store editors. And they gave me a list of suggestions. And one of them is I need to. One of them is that I should probably remove the jump button. So I did it. I did it this afternoon. I took aside like maybe 15 minutes to do that today. So yeah, now the button is not drawing right, but it's actually here. How do I tell the player that the player is supposed to press something? Should I do a sequence? I guess I can do a sequence, but I don't know. I prefer something a bit more elegant. Let me try. Oops, excuse me. Forgot I'm on stream. Okay, what do I do here? Keep the button, just make it a lot smaller. I don't know, man. I think their feedback was that I should probably just take it away, and you know, they are the App Store editors, right? They are the curators of the game, so they probably know what they are talking about. So probably I should probably listen to them. It's also not the first time someone suggested that I should take away the button. Yeah, so if I take into account the feedback that I got, right, from the editors, that would be a total of 3 times that I've heard people say that I should remove the button. I can see why they would say that, right? Because it makes the game look cleaner. But I definitely need to figure out something for this. Let me try something. Oops. What am I doing? How many people have played the game in total? Maybe about 10? Maybe around 10 people? Maybe lesser than 10. I don't really have like a huge group of people to play the game. Yeah, I did not do a public beta. The funny story, exactly 3 people told me that I had this very peculiar problem with serious scramblers. They mentioned that the left side of the screen is not very responsive. So like 3 people said that, you know, out of 50 testers. Yeah, I looked into the problem and I realized that it was an iOS thing. Right, so the left side of the screen is where they try to detect if you're holding down on the left side, you know, if you press hard enough, right, you activate this app switcher, this OS functionality that allows you to switch between different apps. So that's why the left side of the screen is a bit like unresponsive. That's because the OS is consuming the input, right, to see if you know, the player is trying to activate, the user is trying to activate the app switcher. So since there's only 3 people who reported the issue, right, I thought like it's not a big deal. Then guess what? On the launch day, right, I got bombarded with 1-star reviews. So that was a lesson learned. Lesson learned. Not including Amanda's cat. Amanda's cat, Josiah triggered this weird bug. I do not know how he did it. So far the cat is the only one who's able to trigger that weird bug. It's weird, man. Okay, this is not good. Let me lower the value. This is why you fix your small bugs. This is I'm not gonna argue about that. I mean, you make your choices. I'm not saying leave all the bugs in, that's fine, you know, it's small, it's fine. No, I'm not saying that. I'm saying that as the developer, you know what is important and what isn't, you know? Not every single bug is caused by negligence. Come on. Sometimes you have to hack to finish the game. That's not my words, that's the words of my dean. who worked in Nintendo. How do I fix this? I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. Right? Is every bug that you face due to your negligence? No, right? I mean, sometimes it's all part of the development process. So that's why that's why sometimes Amanda and you know, when they say like when I have a bug and they say, oh, it must be because you hack. Come on, man, come on. It's not like that. Okay, let me just fix this part first. No, this doesn't look right. I don't know what I'm doing. It's not looking good. I don't know how to do this. Excuse me. Mind you, I don't even like copy and paste code everywhere. Alright? So my hack is a different kind of hack. I don't think our definition of hack is the same. Oh, okay, let me fix this. How's this? This doesn't look quite right. What the what? Oh. This is too much. No. Fix that. too much. Hello, Lurking. Hello. How's it going? I'm working on the introduction scene for my game. I can show it. I can show it to you. Let me run it. There we go. With the cutscene here, I'm working on a one-button platformer, and this is the introduction to the game. Right. So there's I'm lacking some feedback. By right, there's some prompt, right, to ask you to tap on the screen. So you tap on the screen and break out of the cage. There we go. So I'm trying to fix some of the UI. Yeah, it used to be a button here, I took it away, so I need to make some changes and make sure that the rest of the game works okay without the button. Game is very juicy. Hey, thanks man. Thank you so much. Thanks so much. Yeah, now I'm just trying to add like additional feedback in the introduction scene so that it's clear that the player is supposed to press something on the screen. Yeah, now I'm missing that. It used to be that a button will come up, but since I removed the button, I need to replace it with something else. So let me just replace it with something else. Not sure how I should do this actually. Excuse me. I can make it tile, right? Automatically. With the latest Nice Slice feature. I think I can do that. Let's try it out. Oh hey, thanks for the hosting. How's your day been? I'll be a bit slow today, just like I've had a very tiring day working on my part-time stuff. Okay, spikes. Intro spike. Intro, where's my intro? There we go. Throw spike. Okay, this thing, I need to turn it into a nice slice thingy. How do I do that? I realize I have no idea how to use this. How do I repeat? What happened to grading? I just finished one module. I have 2 more modules to go. You are not gonna believe just how much time I spent just sitting in front of my computer, playing levels after levels after levels, trying to grade the level. I swear I'm gonna go crazy. Why is selected slice? So how's your day? Selected slice. Activate nice slice. How do I use this? I don't know how to use this, I realize. Let's toss it in and see what happens. Damn it. How do I? I don't understand this. Oh. What? Just chilling? Oh, that's good. Do they all become the same after a while? Not entirely. Not entirely. Not entirely. You find it funny that you created a system that created nice slices. Load them onto a surface and draw that surface as a sprite to cut down on the system strain when generating nice slice. Then GameMaker make their own system. A few weeks later. Oh, what's your project? Would you like to share it? I'd love to check it out. I need to look up how to use this nice slicing feature. I've never actually used it. Nice slice. Find it funny that you created a system that created nice slices. Oh wait, I'm just reading the same message. Okay, let's see, nice slices. I just want to repeat. I want to repeat the stuff inside. Oh, it's much different than theirs, I see. I don't get it. Inverted. I don't get it. Stretch, repeat. Yeah, I set it to repeat, right? Or is it because they're all at 0? I don't get it. 10. Oh? What just happened? Oh. I see. Do all the GMS dev? No, not really. Not really, Amanda. Kawazo was here a moment ago. I think he's not here anymore. Center. Is that it? Repeat. This is how you do the oh nice size. Oh, let me check it out. Generate nice slice. Ah. Cool. Alright, I didn't realize there's this function. Draw sprite part. You can draw part of a sprite. Right. Hello, Captain Blade. What's up? Hope I'm doing excellent today. Hi, I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay. Just a little bit tired from 2 full days of grading. I'm doing okay, thanks for asking. How about you? Oh, I think it is somewhere there. Oh, look at that. Very handy. Oh, freak. Let me figure this one out. Bottom 5. There you go. Nope, I don't know how to get this right. Alright, I need the center. Wait. Let me think. I have 2 full modules to grade later. Save me. Repeat. Center stretch. What's that? Let me try this. There we go. Got it. There we go. Got it. You're trying to make your overall game feel better, tweaking movement and stuff. You double the player speed and change the jumping instead of a fixed height. Change the jumping instead of a fixed height to a hold. Oh, variable jump height. That's good. That's great. That's great. That's my TA. I don't have a TA. I wish I do, but I don't. Hire a TA? No, I'm sort of already the assistant, you know. I'm already the assistant to the full-timer. I'm the part-timer. Currently you just set the V speed to 0 when you release, but you think you need to change it. V speed to 0. When you set it to 0 doesn't mean that it stops in mid-air. Ouch. Do you have like gravity implemented? And that helps a lot. Like I mean like acceleration, velocity, position. Oh, you have gravity, right. So let me think. When you let go, for me when I do variable jump height, if I were to let go of the jump button, I just stop appending. I just stop adding on to the velocity. I stop adding on to the V speed. You thought it was obvious? Yeah, you're right. I'm sorry. I wasn't thinking straight. I'm just like really tired. I'm sorry. Yeah, I don't mean tired in the sense that I need to sleep. I'm just mentally exhausted today. That way the player, you just start going upwards for no, not oh, you mean if you hold down the button, right? So I only do that. I only append the velocity for like maybe a quarter of a second or maybe half a second. I don't remember the exact timing. Yeah, and the amount I append is actually very small. It's not very big. It takes a lot of tweaking to get it to feel sort of okay. So if we just simply stop appending velocity, right, there will still be an upward velocity for the player, but eventually the gravity will pull it down. So it kind of works. But I guess it varies from game to game. Y'all play Hollow Knight? I always thought the jump in Hollow Knight is a little bit different. I'm not sure if y'all noticed it, but but the directional change is quite abrupt, right? In Hollow Knight, you know, when you jump up and then suddenly you go downwards, it's like super fast. It feels very fast. It doesn't feel like Mario. It's like different games implement it differently. Yeah, play Hollow Knight. Yeah. Hollow Knight's pretty good, huh? Sequel coming soon. Now, what do I need to do here? Soon TM. The movement in Hollow Knight was really well done though, it feels really good. IMO, right. Animation adds to it a lot. Oh, that's true. That's true. You know, I like that tiny bits of storytelling that is woven into the world in Hollow Knight. The character design is all very intriguing. Wasn't this one character that you have to follow around for a bit? Yeah, and then it eventually build up to become a boss fight. That was super cool. Forgot her name. Actually, I don't remember any of the characters' names. Nosk? N-O-S-K. Nosk. Right. It's an interesting name. Let me just check my FSM. Breaking out, zoom out. That's not right. Where are my other states? Zoom out. It's breaking out. Right, it's breaking out. Breaking out. This one. The guys that look like the player. Oh, that's Nosk. No. I'm talking about the female bug. The female bug. Not Nosk. Oh, that imposter, right? No, I didn't actually got around to fighting Nosk because I thought that was a graphical glitch. I didn't know that is an actual character in there. Because I was walking around in the stage, right, and then I see like, what? I was like, is there like a memory problem? Why is there like a clone of my character, somewhere down at the bottom of the screen? I thought it was a glitch, but yeah, silly me. Hornet, yes, Hornet, yes. Yes, the one that yelled, get good, right? Get good. Yes. It's good stuff. Sings that tune every time. Conifer, who's Conifer? Also the project, yes, that's exciting on it. Who's Conifer? I cannot remember. I definitely love the area where you fight the mantis. Like you prove yourself to them that you're a warrior or something, right? And afterwards, none of the mantis will attack you. Because you have won their respect. That's pretty cool. The cartographer. Ah, I see. Yeah, I see. The guy that sells you maps. I see. Oh yeah, that was cute. That's very cute. His tune is really catchy. Found it. I know what I need to do. Okay. Let me just do this. Background spike thing. Excuse me. Intro background spikes. Or BG spike top. I think the rewarding system in Hollow Knight was done really well. Except for a few places. Every challenge you completed felt like it had a big reward at the end that changed a lot of things. I agree. I beat the palace, the White King's palace. Is that what it's called? Oh my god, that was so difficult. Managed to beat that one. That was fun, but really difficult. It's crazy difficult. At least for me. Path of Pain. Is it called Path of Pain? It's the one where at the end you meet the king. I don't remember any of the names. I'm sorry. I'm terrible with names. The White Palace. Ah, yeah, that one. It's crazy, man. That one. I did not manage to experience like all the content. There are certain add-on content that I did not try. There's another place in the palette called Path of Pain that is even harder. Seriously, oh my god. Oh my goodness. Music in the place that rains is really good. I see. Rainy. Oh yeah, I think I know where you're talking about. City of Tears. Awesome. At the end of Path of Pain, you got a 10-second cutscene, which is the worst reward in the game. Because you can literally watch it on YouTube. Right. What's this song? Truth is, you never gotten far in Hollow Knight because you would stop playing for like months, then don't remember anything. Yeah, it requires a bit of commitment. That's the thing. It's literally just the king looking at his child for 2 seconds and the child looks back. Best reward. Eh? Alright, this is correct. Excuse me. Oh, I think I missed out a link that Lurking posted. Lastly, this is how you would convert anything on the surface to a sprite, so the game isn't having to calculate that math like 40 billion times. Let me look it up. Eh, wait, is it the same one? Or is it this one? Ground surface. Hang on, am I looking at the right link? Totally missed that link. Ah, this one. Convert anything on the surface to a sprite. Sprite create from surface. Cool. You're right, yeah. Oh, that's if it's a static background, right? Cool. Very nice. You also want to improve your jump animation cause currently it's just 2 frames of the player looking up and down. Doing the brackets game jam this week. You don't know if you should have accepted it, but it was like, never mind, let's just do it. Yeah, sure. Kinda hard to do because our pixels are very limited. I understand. But I think that's also the fun with working with pixel art. Working within the constraint is fun. Need to set the X scale. Oops. 10. I think overall your characters is so small it's a pain to animate anything. Yeah, you don't have to do frame by frame animation, right? You can use other style of animation. Maybe spawn some kind of an effect. Or maybe just do the scaling. Isn't that this very like popular technique for animating characters? This procedural scaling of the characters when you jump, it appears very bouncy. I think people like to do that. Yeah, I cannot do that because my character is literally 10 by 10. But if your character has a slightly higher resolution, maybe you can try that. Tower cross. Bouncy would be a lot more alive looking, yeah. But you also don't want to spend too much time on art because it usually takes long. You're not the best art. Oh, I can relate. I'm not the best artist also. I don't really see myself as an artist. Don't know what I'm doing. Let me try this first. Okay. Minus 100. No. Yes, no, I don't know. Minus 100. Plus 50, let me try this. Still not sure about the variable jump thing. It sounds good, but it feels a bit strange in gameplay. Ah, I see. Guess you have to tweak it. Oh, oops. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Guess I can have that. Need to scale it more. Maybe because you worked with the set jump height thing for so long. Oh, okay, okay. Set jump height thing. So you calculate the velocity based on the what height you want. So you use kinematic equation for that? I assume. That's cool. Image-wise scale. You just add 0.3 to the v-speed every frame. Right. By scale. Can I just put minus 10? Ah, no, you know what? I'm going to remove this later, no worries. So I'm gonna have this here. I need to make it move around a bit. Should also be transparent, I think. Translucent. And it starts at minus 8 and can go up to 8. -8. Currently, if you release your V-speed, just gets set to 0, which feels very strange. Right, because it stops in the mid-air, right? Right. Okay, intro spike time. Going to set the alpha to be like half. Excuse me. Should I? How do I make this spike move? Oh, what if I make it loop? Can I come up with the looping code? Oh, let's try it out. Let's try it out. Let's try it out. Let's see if I can still do it. Sprite index. Might just decrease the V-speed by like 2 to 4 instead of setting to 0. That could work. You just need to mess around with the numbers and test. Yeah, man. Okay, let me just think about this for a bit. Wow, what's this music? Oh, anyway, sorry, maybe I should explain what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to make it such that this thing here will loop. They will move like to the left, right? But it'll be a continuous effect. It's supposed to look like it's looping. So I'm trying to do that. It should be quite straightforward, but I'm not sure if my brain is working today. And also, you never release a prototype. Is it okay? It takes like 5 minutes to complete. Yeah, yes, of course. Of course, anything that is playable is better than nothing. You know, if you release a prototype, you're already way ahead of everyone, a lot of people. It's true, you know. Like I think there are a lot of us who gets very excited about making games, right? Then we start something, and you just never get around to releasing anything. I think most of us are like that. So if you release something, you're already ahead of everyone. Even if it's 5 minutes, I think it's worth releasing. Would it be like a prototype for people to, you know, give you feedback on the mechanics, like how the game feels, the controls and whatnot? I could make it a background layer and set it to tile horizontally. God damn it, I should have done that. Let me think. Ah, I should have done that. No. It's okay. It's okay. I might have some effects in mind. I might have some effects in mind. But you're absolutely right. I think your solution is probably way more elegant than what I had in mind. It is okay. I've already taken the step. That's the kind of prototype you're going for. Right. Yeah, let us know when you have something. You could release something right now because it's playable, you're just tweaking. Right. Anytime. Anytime. That reminds me, I'm supposed to release a build of this as well, right? A build of my game as well. So once I'm done with this, fixing this part, I will release a playtesting build. Okay. Is it for PC? Yes. Yes. I mean, this is a mobile game, but I will also release like a PC build. But the UI and everything will be designed for mobile though, so it's going to feel a bit weird. It's going to feel a bit weird when you test it. Testing, let's go. Yeah, testing, let's go. Am I doing it right? Oops, sorry. What is this? What is this? God damn it. I forgot. Oh, I'm dreaming. Look at. Ah, oh, damn it. Hang on. That woke me up. Oh, those spikes are just graphics, no worries. Yeah, they're just graphics. They are not like in-world spikes. You could cook instant noodles, you're hungry. At this hour, wow. Instant noodle at 1 AM. Don't worry, I will not be drawing this sprite at when it's this close up. Looks super ugly. It looks like it's looping fine, yeah? Oh no, it's not. Look at that, it's broken. Oh, it's because of... Okay, got it. It's because of... Let me think. Speed it up. Seems to work, right? Yeah, it seems to be working. That's good. That's good. I want the top to go to the left. So, let's do it. Top should go left. It was great. Hey, thanks, man. There we go. It's a bit on the slow side. Maybe slow is fine. Oh, you know those games that give you 2 different jump heights? Might try it. Ah! Sure. That could be cool. That could work. How should I do this? You found a pretty good balance for it. Do tell. Now you send it to -2. I need to think about this for a bit. Hard coding, baby. And get it to work first, right? That's always the most important thing. Get it to work first. And then, if refactoring is needed, you can always do it later. Yeah! -3 is better, I see. But what values are those? -3 as in the velocity? Is that it? V-speed, I see. Velocity is always gravity. Oh? Okay, I guess our implementation is different. I mean, velocity is just speed with direction, right? Oh, sorry. Tired. Just slightly frustrated that I didn't get much time to work on my game this week. You all ever feel that frustration? You thought I meant acceleration for... Oh, I see. Yeah. Velocity is speed, right? Yeah, I thought I thought we had different definitions. Okay. Let's try this. I don't know how this will feel. Did that work? I think this thing needs to animate when I press button. Okay, but let me scale them out. Not scale, sorry. Let me translate them outwards when I've broken out. You confuse acceleration and velocity. Your English science vocab is a bit wonky. I see. Excuse me. Be bottom. So this will move that spiky graphics outwards when I've broken out of the cage. So let's try that again. What? It went out so fast, I can barely see it. Oh. I should change this to in. I'm sorry. Maybe I'll give it 1 second as well. Huh. It might take more than 5 minutes for testers because of the boss fights. You have, oh right, you have a boss fight. That's right. That is right. Can't wait, man. It's a bit too slow. Ah, 0.6. Okay, in the meantime, let me try to do a little something. What am I working on now? I'm okay. Let me explain what I'm actually working on. Give me a moment. So the truth is, I received some feedback from the editors at the App Store. And one of the feedback was that I should consider removing the button from the game. You know, that giant green button that I have, because I wanted to let player know that, you know, it's a one button game. They suggested that I remove it, keep the display clean. So I removed it, but removing it also requires me to make changes to certain aspect of the game. So the introduction scene, I need to make some changes because there no longer is a button, right, to tell the player to press, right? So now I need to come up with something else. Yeah. Oh no! What the freak? Oh yeah, it only looped once. Oh my, oh, I'm an idiot. Hang on. it loops only once. Idiot. RIP button 20xx. A funny thing is that the button is actually still in the game, it's just not getting drawn. It's just not getting drawn. So now that there won't be any button, will the player know where to press? Well, the player will just have to tap on the screen, right? And the truth of the matter is that even though I have a button in the past, right, the button actually responds no matter where you press. So the whole screen is the button, you know. Yeah. Actually, Moko, right, if you remember, Moko actually said that I should remove the button as well. So I said that I will consider, yeah. Button was kind of useless, but we will still remember it. That's very kind of you. Thank you. Remember it for its service, yeah. But why did I write sprite index here? So sprite weave, right. I'm seriously dreaming. Let me like up the speed by a lot, see if it works fine. The button is not dead, by the way, it's just not getting drawn. Yeah, the button actually is still there. The O_button object is still there. It's just working behind the scenes now, you know? What the hell happened? Where's my thing? What the freak? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Okay. Is 15 too much? What? Yeah, where's the janky thing? I know, right? May soul be blessed in button afterlife. Skippy the Spy? Is that the name? Eh? Freak! Why is it gone? Oh wait, this thing? This code here? Are you serious? What did I change? Damn! What is wrong with me today? What is wrong with me today? I used the wrong operator. Yeah, it's really cool that they gave it back, I know, right? I'm very lucky. I feel very lucky that they responded. too tired from grading. Yeah, I know, right? Seems to loop okay, I think. Streamer used the wrong operator. That's yeah, it's embarrassing. Does Google give feedback? I don't know. I couldn't get them to respond. But I know for a fact that the editors from the App Store is very helpful. It's very helpful. Right, you get a sense that you get a sense that they want to help you. They want your game to succeed. You know. And I appreciate that. You know, I really appreciate that because it's so difficult to make a sustainable living. Right, it's so difficult. Like I'm nowhere close to it. So I'm really happy that you know that at least it feels like they want to help. You know. So they give all this feedback, and I take this feedback and I make the changes necessary. Especially the fact that they still give feedback to small-time developers. Yeah, I know, right? I know, right? I'm the definition of small time. I'm so small that I shouldn't even register on their radar. But they still respond, you know. Of course, I cannot speak for the broad. How should I describe this? I can't speak for how how the games department of Apple in other country works, right? But we know for a fact that in Singapore, at the very least, right, the editors are very helpful. Yeah. Massive. My game succeeding equals to them succeeding, so they are really helping you, help them, help us. Oh, you're right. You're right. Yeah, right. That is true too. You know, but they could just as easily, focus on the big people. They're kind of like, what Steam is doing, right? Because Steam is not exactly like easy for small developers to stand out. Yeah, so the algorithm seems to prioritize games that is already doing well. So it makes sense, right? From a business standpoint, it makes sense for Steam to be doing this. Yeah, it's nice of them to help the small developers. Yeah, I know, right? Ever since they changed the algorithm, screwed over the small time dev. Yeah, that's the thing. I don't really know what to feel about it. I mean, you can kind of understand why, as a business, they would do that, right? Like they don't purposely screw over developers. They just prioritize the game that they know will sell more. I don't know, man. So yeah. So when it comes to marketing, we really have to do everything ourselves. Yeah. Right. You cannot rely on purely the visibility on the store to help you. What was I gonna do again? Oh right, I wanted to do this. It's quite notch. Why? You don't know anything about marketing? Same. I don't know anything too. Right. That's why my very first commercial game made me $0. even though I spent years on it. Marketing is hard, yes. How am I going to market? I'll just rely on constant stream of content update, I guess. I'll try to do more devlogs. Have I thought up a marketing plan yet? I don't know, man. What exactly is a marketing plan? I don't know. I'm so terrible at this. I guess generally I just want to keep I want to plan out like a steady stream of content updates. So because if you have updates, right, then there is more reason for the store to promote your game, you know. And then yeah, and then I guess I will do more devlogs. I have to try doing it more. But of course, devlog doesn't really count as marketing, right? Because devlog primarily only attract one kind of audience, which is like fellow developers. But still, it's I guess it's worth the effort, you know, to at least document my process, I guess. Oh, GG is free. Yeah, GG is paid in cosplay store app store purchases unavailable, so you won't be able to buy. Right, it's not available in your region. I see. There's a reason why there are people who do games marketing for a living, right? Yeah, of course, yes. Make funny meme dev. Yeah, I don't think I can do it. I think the funny meme devlog is more Colorzor kind of thing. Like, I can do it very easily. I cannot. I cannot do it. I can't do it like him. You're gonna hire who to market your game? Who's that? Left? Who's left? Ask Lucius to help. Nah, it's not me. I know. I'm not the meme type. Sometimes I don't even get. I don't even. How do I put it? I'm so square. I don't even realize that. You know, sometimes you are joking. So yeah, I don't think I can do the memes. I'll just do a normal devlog, right? A left marketed Hollow Knight. Wow, okay. That's cool, that's cool. You just take him hostage. Sounds like a plan. I saw this picture last night and you had to see it. Wait, what? You feel so attacked. If you know what the floppy disk is, it might be time for your cancel stream. Yeah, I saw that too. Damn it. Cancel screening time, I guess. You feel so attacked. What about me, man? I'm older. Oh dear. Floppy disk is not even that old, that's true. Well, I mean, it's old enough that there are people who don't even recognize, who see it as a save button rather than a floppy disk. I was thinking maybe I'm trying to do more devlogs now. I was thinking that maybe I can, have like do certain videos about like some of my code as well, so that maybe Colozo and Amanda will stop teasing me about hacking. Cause that's not all I do. Come on, man. Come on. Okay, I was thinking maybe I can talk about my state machine implementation. Seems like that different people have different implementation, right? So maybe it's worth sharing what mine looks like. Yeah, Amanda keeps saying I'm hacking. Are you? Do you? Do you even know what you're talking about? No, don't add a hacking command, no! I want that. I don't want it to stick. I don't want it to stick. I don't want it to stick. You only cost one time on stream, I said never mind. Right. Yeah, better not. I don't want it to stick because I'm supposed to be a professional coder, I don't want people to think like this guy just write crap. I mean, I do hack. Of course, I hack to finish a game. I choose what to hack. Sometimes I might have hacked too much, yes, but it's not like my code is like, it's not like the entirety of my code is rubbish. I want to make it clear. Okay, where am I? You hack your composing process? Oh, do share. I learned something important. Like the last time you were at Dev Chat, you said something about the AB, the intro, then A, B, B, A or something, right? What was it again? What's the general order again? I forgot. I thought that was... pretty cool. Copy paste. The ABA structure, yes. Yeah, I thought that was very cool. Basically a professional hacker when you turn on your command font to green. If only that's all it takes. There are people who hack, like there's a different definition for the word hack right there, but there are people who hack system for a living, right? Like hack like security systems for a living. That's crazy, man. Those people. That's what movies taught us. Hey, Crazy UX! Hello! Haven't seen you in a while. How's it going? I apologize for my slowness today. But actually, I've always been slow, but today I'm even slower than usual. When I press something, I want the nudge to nudge. Where's my nudge? Nudge Y. There we go. Going alright. That's great, man. Are you still streaming? I haven't seen you on Twitch. You composing is basically just copying the same track to different instruments and see what works. Oh, that's an interesting thing. Interesting process. Slow doggo. It's true, you know. This one, I wouldn't get triggered by that because it's very true. I am very slow. I am the slowest coder I know. I was trying to stream again for a bit ago, but you got yourself a stream deck and been working on setting it up since. Ah, I see. Not the best composer. Well, at least you can compose. I wish I know how to compose. Ah, how's that? How's that? When I press, right, you can see that these two things are translating. Look at that, look at that. Alright. Maybe on the last hit I don't. Hang on. Let me sing. What should I do? What should I do? It's a very common process. Cause the same melody played on for violin versus the same melody played on the trumpet has a totally different feel. Ah. Maybe I'm a composer. Even just the same instruments like strings. For the harmony, if you do long sustained notes versus short, what? Staccato. Is that how you pronounce it? Notes, it feels totally different. Right. Right. Okay, I'm going to do this. Okay, let's try this. That's how I pronounce it. Hey, I see. Just been busy with that and cable management. Right. So you haven't gotten much outside. Right. Oh, looking forward to your stream again. Is that okay? So here's the thing, right? The reason why I'm working on this scene is because I've removed the button. So it used to be that the button will tell you that you're supposed to press it, right? But now there's nothing, there's no such thing. So all that's gonna be drawn is like, well, you know, it's two things. Let me restart again. Hang on. Right, there's this cutscene here. Right, and here there's no input allowed, right? So I thought like if I show something, right, it would prompt the player to, you know, at least play around, like touch the screen. I hope this works, man. You see, you've gotten more work on my game. Hey, thanks, man. Thanks, mate. I've totally removed the button from my game. Look at that, there's no button now. It's all empty down here. I feel like I should spray some particles. Or maybe not, maybe not. Let's not overdo it. Let's just keep it at good enough. Otherwise, I'm never gonna ship this game. Just tap on the screen, that's right. Just tap on the screen. Okay, I think I got that part done. That's good. Today you watched a Japanese film that you didn't understand. Let me guess, is it kanji? Oh, it's in Japanese Sign Language. I see. I see. Is the movie about this kid who moved to the countryside with his and you know, has to live with his grandma? I think I've seen that a long time ago. Oh, it's not that one? Ah, I see. Start music at different points. I'll do that next time. Make spring more lenient. What time is it? 1:43. Make spring more lenient. And one of the feedback I got, right, apparently is I need to change the color of the victory flag because it looks too much like the Vietnam flag. Let me check. Gosh, I'm so ignorant about all this kind of thing. Oh, that's right. I put a star. Oh damn. Vietnam flag looks like this. So I can see the design being similar. Right, so I need to change this. You like the breaking out of the cage? Hey, thanks, man. Thank you. It's an LGBT film. You heard it's somewhat based on the director's experience. She's also deaf and can't remember if she. Oh, okay. I see. I see. Updated music, etc. Yeah. I'm gonna have to include the dynamic music at some point. I have to do that soon. Let's think about this flag. Should I just remove the star from it? I think I can just remove the star from it, right? Yeah, let's just remove the star. I'll do that. Let's remove the star. But before that, let me just commit my work. You can see the similarity. Yeah. Yeah, it does look at the view. I know, right? Let me show you something. Let me check. Go to Space Jack. Just a moment. Wow, lag. Set in Vietnam? No. Hang on, eh? Do you see this screenshot here? You see this screenshot here with the scientist in the center? So this is my game, the game that I made with John and another friend. 2 other friends actually. It's called Space Jack, and there is a particular... There are a few moments in the game where you have to rescue the scientists, and what happens is once you rescue the scientists, right, this animation will play. You have this like ray animating, right? There's this ray and it's circling around the character. We had to change this. This didn't used to be yellow, it used to be red. And we were told we needed to change it. Do you know why? You remember when the bug tea was there? Don't spoil? No, it's not a spoiler. I'm talking about like cultural sensitivity. Yeah, you know why, right? Yeah. I need to do that because if we kept it red, right, then it would be we would offend a lot of people in Korea. Yeah, because if it's red, then it looks way too much like the imperial Japanese flag. Stuff like this happens, yeah. And I'm so ignorant about so much of this stuff. Sometimes it's a bit scary. It's good that, you know, at least someone caught the mistake and we change it. Yellow Gear 2. Yeah, is it a flag? Yeah, Captain Blade, yeah, that. If it is red color, it would look like the Imperial Japanese flag. Yeah. Luckily someone caught it, yeah. Exactly. JJ is prequel to Yellow Gear. You get into so much trouble, yeah. Oh, the game wasn't popular enough to get into like any real trouble, but it's still important that we catch that. GG's secrets ending is you can see the Jabbar jumping into Yellow Gear. and then I will make a Metroidvania centering around that, right? You know, like Gato Roboto. But instead of a cat, it's a Jabbar. Oh. Seriously, there's something good about the Year Gear 5. Oh, thank you. But I need to implement it in a bigger game like a Metroidvania. Right. One day I will try. Jerboa series. One day I will try. I'm actually gonna. I think after Jerboa, right, I want to expand upon this game. I want to expand upon this one. This is going to be a bit loud. Hang on, let me just lower the volume. I want to expand upon this game. Hang on. Oops, sorry. The hell, why is it lagging? For some reason it lags when I stream. Oh freak. Oh, you get the idea. Okay. Oh, I saw this too. Hey, thanks man. 4 top gem games for the Opera GX Gen will be announced in 5 days. I think they are delaying it for 2 weeks. If I'm not wrong, let me check. I think they delayed it. Let me check. Because there's like 900 plus submissions, it's way too many. Let me see, eh? There we go. We're extending judging by 2 weeks. Oh, look at it's the shaders guy. Look at that. XOR Death. It's the Game Maker shader dude. Also, the film was not bad. It's a slow film, but it's quite realistic. Coming out in like East Asia, etc., and like finding a community within an already small community. Right. You don't know why you're sad there are so many games that were 100% with. If you finish a game, right, you have already won, I feel. If you finish a game, you have already won. There will be more oops in the future. What's that? Oh, ops. What's that mean? Opportunities, right? I see. Wait, have I? I forgot to commit. Ah, damn it! I'm streaming. Excuse me. Sorry. Let me commit my work. Removed. Jump button. Let's push it. Push, push, push. Hey, where's the box? Where's the dialog box telling me that it's pushing? Oh my god, what's happening? Hello? Hello, Jean? John? Jean? Hello? How's it going? I'm sorry if I mispronounced your name. Yeah, I'm just here working on my one-button platformer. What am I doing? Let me show you. Excuse me. Let me show you. Let me run it, and I'll show you. I'm working on a mobile platformer actually. It's a platformer that you play with just one button. Well, I say one button, but the thing is, I'm not even drawing the button now. Let me just Whoa, why is the okay? Sorry, I think my computer is slowing down a bit. There we go. Why was the music playing in the title screen? Oh my goodness. I need to look into that. Anyways, it's a one-button platformer. It looks like this. You play as a Jerboa, you know, and the game is very simple, right? You just need to head to the exit, and you just don't touch any, just avoid all the dangerous obstacles and collect, you know, all of these diamonds. Yeah, and at the moment I have 99 levels. Wait, I have 90 levels, sorry, I have 90 levels. And the intention is that I will release the game with 90 level first. And then over time I will like add more levels. Yeah. Let me turn off the sound effect as well. So I'm just trying to finish this game. So I'm left with like some polishing tasks. I also have like a monetization I need to do. As well as some of the music is not fully done yet. Not fully integrated yet. I have the composer handed me the music, but I have yet to put them into the game. Yeah, so that's basically what I'm doing. Unlock this. There we go. I just found a bug. I just found a bug. Why is it that the title screen is playing the music when I've specifically muted the game? Oh, hello. Thanks for the follow. Hi. How do I address you? Sylvie? Hello, thanks for the follow. Sylvie. I see. Thanks for dropping by. Yeah, I'm working on a one-button platformer. You can see here. There we go. Yeah, I've been working on this for how many months? I think almost 10 months already. It's been a while. But as you can see, right, it's a mobile platformer that you play by just tapping on the screen. There we go. Yeah, and at the moment I'm trying to work on polishing and trying to finish the game so that I can finally release it. It's been a while. I need to release something. It's nice to see another Game Maker Studio 2. Oh, you're a Game Maker user as well. Do you mind sharing your work? We'd love to check it out. Because there's a few of us Game Maker users here as well. Yeah. Only Musk Sound is the odd one out. Yeah, rise up, man, rise up. We are just short of Kalazor. Kalazor is not here. I think he's busy. If GameMaker improves their audio system, you will also try out GameMaker. The cool thing is that GameMaker is, well, I mean, in a sense, it's free to use now, right? So long as you don't export to PC. Oh yeah, the victory flag. I need to change this, right? It looks like a Vietnam flag at the moment. I need to change it. Cultural sensitivity, yeah? Where do I change it? Where's my flag? Flag. Oh, there we go. Oh, yes! Let me check out the link. Let's see. Oh! Is it a resource gathering game? It's a simulation game. That's cool. Farming RPG. Currently doing your head in with shaders and the lighting system. Lighting system. Oh, that's cool, man. I'm gonna follow your work. Just a moment. It is super cool. Oh, that's super cool. That's super cool. How long have you been working on it? It looks the scale, the scope of it looks pretty big. Look at that! Look at that! Look at the artwork. Wow! Look at everything. That's awesome, man. About 7 months. Ah, that's amazing. Are you working on it full time? Oh. It's a full-time indie dev. It's amazing stuff, man. Thanks for sharing. It is awesome. Okay, let's check. Make sure the flag is fine. Okay. Oh, now it looks so empty. I'm so used to seeing something in the flag. But I guess I should just remove the star. What am I working on now for the game? I'm just going through the checklist. Let me just bring up my Trello. I just removed the jump button from the game. So previously my game has this giant jump button, you know, it's basically just begging the player to press it. But I got feedback from a few people that I should probably remove the button. Right, keep the display clean. So that's what I did. So I removed the button, and because of that I had to tweak a few things in the game, because like there are some parts of the game that assumes that the button is there, right? But since it's not getting drawn anymore, I need to go and tweak it. So basically stuff like that, you know, boring stuff like tweaking the game and whatnot. Yeah. So at this point, that's pretty much what I'm working on, you know, just polishing, tweaking. But there is one thing that I have to do that is not very fun to do at all. I have to monetize the game. I have to implement monetization. It's not my favorite part of development, but I have to do it. And for a mobile game like this, it most of the time it just means I have to uh integrate AdMob into the game. Okay, Musk. Amanda says what? You're not talking about audio playing well. You're talking about doing stuff like what? Oh, dynamic. Right. The audio systems, right? Unreal is really upping their game through the audio side, especially with Unreal 5, right? Okay, let's see. Start music at different points is something I have to do, otherwise the music starts to get a bit repetitive. What else? Return to the menu. Return to menu button in this level transition. Okay, let's see. UX problem. I have to fix that. Let me just run the game. Why is my computer so slow? All of a sudden. Oh yeah, I already changed it. I changed it this afternoon. Let me show you how it looks like now. It's level 37. I still remember it. It looks like this now. I don't know how else to do it, so I did this. Thanks for the reminder, man. You're very quick to remember this. Yeah, I almost forgot about it this afternoon. I was like, removing the button should be fast enough. Yeah, no problem. Then I remember that I have this, and as well as the introduction cutscene that I need to fix. My computer is lagging a bit for some weird reason. Your memory is gold. A goldfish level? What did, really? Why did I close the game? Anyway, now I need to add a button into the game. To add a button? Where's my tablet? Use Audacity for audio editing. And try to make the sound effects into multiple files if you need certain features. I see. Hang on, let me just speed the level. I need to go to the transition scene. Okay, I see. Okay, let me just take a quick capture of the screen. So, the problem is there isn't an easy way, right, to exit back to the level selection screen. So that was one of the feedback that I got. I need to add it in. I'm thinking I can add a button here. Like maybe I can put a X button here. Right. X to go back to the level selection, I guess. Would that work? I guess that would work, right? You don't even remember what you ate for breakfast. I remember, I ate nothing! Let me get a drink of water. Pixel editor in Game Maker Studio is really great. You mostly use that if it's not tile-based. I see. That's not healthy. Oh, you mean like no breakfast? Yeah, I know, right? I should start living more healthily. Get some food. Yeah, I'll try. What time is it? Oh, it's 2 AM. The heck? Time flies. Okay, maybe I'll draw something here. Okay, let's see. This screen looks very empty, don't you think? It's very empty. Maybe I should add something. No, that's feature creep, right? Feature creep. Feature creep? I'll only add it if there's enough time. Okay, there we go. If you want to talk about an engine that actually has good in-game audio tools at the moment, you say Unreal is really the only one. Right. Oh my goodness, where are all my files? Where are all my files? Just a moment, eh? Guess I'll just use this to draw the button. I need it for scale. Color looks a bit different. Eh? Is this too small? Oh, that's fine. Oops. Crap. Let me think. Oops. Why can't I change the... Okay, change. Will this do? I hope this will work. You also had a very late breakfast today. Half a day later. If I don't eat breakfast again, you'll personally come to my house at 6 AM and make sure. do we live in the same country? You'll buy a plane ticket. Have I done my Oh freak! Have I done my Duolingo? Wait, let me check. Oh, I have done it. I've done it. Yeah. I've done it. No worries. Maybe I should make it redder. Redder. Let's change the hue a little bit, shall we? Okay, hang on. I don't know. Does this look like crab? Doesn't look quite right. Hang on. Don't know. Looks weird. Let me check. How does it look on that color? Oops, not here, not here, not here. Oh, there we go. Why am I using crab color? Looks like actual crab. What? What? How dare you? Let me check. Really? Crab looks like this. Oh, you mean this one? Yeah. I guess you're right. There you go. Dubois poop. How dare you? Let me make it a bit redder. I don't know, I'm terrible at colors. So bad at colors. How do I get better at art? Practice, right? Practice every day. I should set aside time to practice. Look at Sylvie's art, it's amazing. I'm gonna go check it out again. It looks so good. Make the darker shadows more red and the lighter side more orange. Hang on, more red. There we go. Eh? What happened to... What the... I have missing pixels. There we go. That should be it, right? Oh, no. Yes, no, I don't know. No, this is correct. Oh, Kalazor is back. Hello, Kalazor. There is a gathering of Game Maker users here. Poop colors, how dare you? How dare you, Amanda? How dare you? Take it back! Take it back! Okay, let me put it in and see. Do. Alright, man. Let's try this. I'll use this one. Is it not red enough? Red and brown seems like... I just realized something, The color looks pretty different across my two monitors. Damn it. Lurking. Lurking's here. Join the dark side, we have cookies. Do we? Sounds good. Let me save the close button. I probably should stop soon. I have been sitting on this chair for almost the entire day. Hang on. Where's my UI? Oh man, I really need to organize my folders. Look at this, what is this nonsense? Next project I should come out with some kind of a file management naming convention, I guess. Naming convention. Let's see. Close. Cross button. There we go. I'm already in the dark side. I see. Streamer never end stream on time. Yeah, that's true. But I have to end soon. Depth management. Are your hands different objects, or is it drawn on the within the same sprite? Just out of curiosity, because I'm like, I've always wondered like what is a good way of handling or good way of coding an entity that's made out of multiple parts. Right? Do we make each part an object, or do we just draw each part within the same object in the draw event? Like, which would be the better way to do it? I suppose if it's like a really big object, then it has to be implemented as different objects, right? Like if it's really big and long, because then the depth would be drastically different, right, for each body part. Okay, let's export this one. You had to make your player's shadow an object because when you jump, the shadow clip through the other player. Oh! Oh, I did the... I work on this prototype called Martian Delivery with John. We actually have a surface, right, just for shadow, so every single object draw to the same surface. Maybe that could work, right? So that they don't they are not exactly on the same plane of existence, so to speak. Because then we can draw all the entities above the shadow plane. Yeah, at least that's how we did it back then. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's the best way to do it. That's the UI. We started all them off with the hands as object, didn't try to then draw stuff. Right. So in my Centipede demo, I think I have each of them as an object as well. But I do wonder if I should combine them, implement them as a single object. Of course, then the rendering portion will become trickier. Anyways, let me just... what was I doing again? Oh yes, this one. button. Cross button. Oh, okay, I cannot just import it. I need to import strip image. No biggie, just focus on making the progress for now. Can always change things up. Yeah, man, exactly. Gonna head off for tonight. Oh, okay. See you soon, Captain Blade. I will upload the testing build later. Thanks, man. Thanks for hanging out. See ya. Need to add some test guns in and get the hand placements for those. And then you're done for it. Awesome. Awesome. Whoa, what's that music? Okay. $14.17. Oh crap. Accidentally changed it. 2-2. Oh wait a second, my button is implemented as like 2 different sprites. I forgot. Down and up. Up should be. Okay, I'll delete this one. There you go. You posted a GIF last night. Oh yeah. You didn't see it, Amanda? Let me show you. Where is it again? There you go. Teenage Mutant Ninja Froggies. Are the hands implemented as a sprite sheet as well? Right, implemented as a sprite sheet of this with each frame being the same size as the frog themselves. Oh, they are a single sprite. Oh, holy crap! That means you have to code the offset for each frame of animation. That seems very work intensive. Cool, man. It seems to work out very smoothly. $5 true. 5 indeed. But it's very work intensive, right? How much time does it take? How many frames of animations are there? Let me see. Can't really tell. 5, 6? Well, I guess 6 frames is fine. No, wait, there's also jumping animation and death animation and everything. Wow. Okay, what do I do here? I think I've reached my limit already. My brain is like not functioning anymore. Hang on. Transition. Oh, excuse me. There we go, found it. You just set it up once and then you don't need to touch it again. True. You can use this for all the characters and enemies. Regardless of size? You can do it regardless of size. Oh. Okay. Wait. How? But you have to make some assumptions about that, right? Like how do you go about doing it? What is the assumption that is made? Is it do you always slap it to the side of the bounding box? Is that what you did? Five hit. Big brain. Right. I assume it's it has something to do with the bounding box, the collision mask itself. Is that what you are using to get around the issue? Nothing to do with that. Ooh, then how would you do it? That's interesting. Wait, let me take a look. How would you how would you do it? Let me see. Nothing to do with that. Independent of the size of the sprite. How's that possible? I don't really see it. I don't get it. How is it done? Regardless of size. No, but anchor points, you still have to code the anchor points in, right? But how do you make it such that the anchor point is always like it scales according to the player, according to the sprite size? Anchor points. Just like what I did in the past was that I have a separate spreadsheet that is just meant for the anchor point, and then when loading the spreadsheet into GameMaker, right, I take note of where that pixel is, and then I save that position. So that means that the input is a spreadsheet, right? But then for in my case, I would need an anchor point spreadsheet per sprite. Is that what you do? Is that what you did? Or do you have a different system? It's just out of curiosity, right? Like, if there is an easy way, or if there's a better way to do something, then I would want to learn. What was that? You mean what was the method that I used? The anchor point spreadsheet? Meaning I have a spreadsheet. I had a spreadsheet just marking per frame where the anchor point is, right, for each frame of the sprite, for each frame of the spreadsheet, right? Like for example, I need to mark a point on the character where the hand is, right, because the character needs to hold on to something. Then I will have to mark that point. It's a single pixel for every single frame in that spreadsheet, and then I load it into the GameMaker itself, and from there, right, I find the position, of that pixel, and then store it somewhere. Then that would be my anchor point. Are you saying that there is a a better way to go about it. No, I want to know the faster way. I would like to know the faster way. Because I think speed matters, you know, when you need to prototype something fast. Anyways, they just work? Yeah. Just working is good enough. Just working is good enough. Okay, let me just. But how do you do yours? Like, oh, what music is that? I think I will just put the button in there and call it a night. If you tell me, okay, all right then. Oh right, anchor point. I totally forgot about the anchor points in my. Not anchor points. Sorry, the anchors, the horizontal and vertical anchors for my UI buttons. Left and top. No, right and top is what I want. Right and top. Right and top. I need to define the offsets as well. Right? So it's V anchor top. Sure. Go ahead and link something. And to show your example. Ah, sure. I would love that. Thanks, man. Feel free to share a link. I don't think it's blocked. Okay, let's take a look. Oh. I'm trying to hang on. I'm trying to see how that works. I think I get where you're going with this. Hang on. So instead of being from this perspective, it's going to be like diagonal right. It's going to be facing slightly to the left at an angle. Right. No, let me consider that. Oh, I like the colors. I'm going to steal your colors. Hang on. It's time to steal. Oops. Oh, Colorzor has a link also. Anchor points, there we go. But what I don't understand is how does it scale? Right, I mean this makes sense, right? This is basically the, well, I guess you can say this is the like what I was describing. Like this would be exactly the same, except it's the hard coded version of that, right? So how would it scale to a bigger sprite? Oh, I like that you're using the ID as the index, but I don't know if that's a good idea or not. It definitely works. It definitely works. That's cool, man. How does it scale though? The depth buffer is, do I want this to appear in front or behind? Depth buffer? Oh wait, maybe I was looking at the wrong thing. Hang on. There's a depth buffer? Oh, at the top, I see. 0. Okay. The depth buffer. Sorry, my pronunciation of the word is a bit off. Depth. I keep forgetting the H, the TH. Okay, do I want this to appear in front or behind? And the alarm is setting that based on which hand you set it to when crafting it. First index in the array is which hand? 0 being left, 1 being right. Oh, I see. Oh, okay, 2 hands. That's cool. You posted how it works above in the chat. The origin is at the bottom center. Yes. So those numbers are based on the math, the difference from the bottom center to where you want. Yes. The displacement vectors, basically, right? Right. But it doesn't scale, right? I mean, if you use a fatter character, what happens then? Or do you, maybe you multiply like that displacement vector by some kind of a value? Maybe that works. So, oh, okay, hang on. I need to resume stealing colors. There we go. Thanks, Crazy Wax. Thank you so much. And to test this out here. Yeah. Okay, I'll take this. It's better. My attempt at adding red is just terrible. It turns out brown. I'm terrible with colors. Okay, there we go. Let's export this. Let me export this. Your characters are mostly going to be the same. Right. Okay, I see. Right, efficiency. Yes. No, that's good. That's good. That's a design constraint that you impose on yourself, right? That's great. Yeah, I think when we start doing like, oh, I want to support every possibility, right? That's when the game stops getting done, right? Yeah, that's cool. Okay, I think that's the mistake everyone makes. Oh, I want my code to do everything. Okay, let me just edit image. The shadows can probably be slightly darker, but it's up to you. Ah, okay. Thanks, man. Let me... Yeah, I think you're right. It can be darker, you're right. Let me just go one shade darker. Let's see what happens. Can I go another shade? I'll do this. Hmm? Ah, there you go. Superior epic star. Why do you hate Steam? Is it because of the monopoly they have? Jokalele. Nice. And Void Busters. What's this? Heard the name, I've heard of the name. Not sure what the game is about. Excuse me. Let me just do a one. Oh, not one pixel. Come on, one cell offset. There we go. Same thing here. You have not played it, but you have the game. Oh, you have the game. Cool. You spend forever at graphics, so been working at the stuff you want to get done first of all. Graphics can always be fixed up on later. Yeah, you're totally right. You're totally right. Get myself some food. Oh, it's alright. I mean, I will get food when I wake up later. it's almost 3 a.m, so I probably shouldn't be eating before sleeping. I need to center this button. Oh damn, it's almost 3 a.m. Oh damn, it's almost 3 a.m. I need to end soon. Party. Oh Amanda, I bought Doom 64. It's literally just $1+. It's just $1 plus. It's awesome. Time zones. Yeah, man. 21. That's 9, right? That's 9 o'clock. So we are like 6 hours apart. 6 hours apart. You haven't played Doom? Doom is so good. But I played the first Doom. I played it recently. Well, not that recent. A few years ago, I played it. I was thinking like, how can I not try something that legendary? So I played it. It's really good. It aged pretty well, you know, considering how old it is. Okay. Where is my transition? Yes. You cannot play FPS. Is it because of motion sickness? Ooh. Exists. Is there such a function? Oh wait, this is your own helper function, right? What's this? Is this to... Oh, this is to calculate the position of the hands. That's cool. Owner.z. What is Z? You don't think you have motion sickness, but you do get a bit dizzy watching Quake and Doom 64. Oh, it's different because like if you're in control, you don't really feel dizzy, I think. No, unless you do suffer from motion sickness. Yeah, but if you are the one in control of the camera, you should be okay. Yeah, but if you're watching someone else, right, then yes, it's definitely more prone to dizziness. Okay, let me just fix this. 10, 10. For jumping, I see. A Z is for jumping. Right. ZX is for jumping. What's next for you? Gameplay? Combat? Oh wait, I do need. Excuse me. Sorry. I don't need to delete this because the button container will clean up all of them, I think. Wait, no. It wouldn't. It will not do that. It will not do that. You try it since it's only $1 plus. Yeah, man. Switch statement basically says which sprite is the owner currently using, and then pulls the anchor data from the picture. That's great. That's great. Let me take a look again. Where is it? Oh, it's here. This is an array, right? I don't know about the implications, right, of using an array and then using a potentially huge number as the index. Have you considered using a map instead? A map. Yeah, DS map. Yeah. Because there might be some implication, right? When it comes to the memory allocation. We need someone who's more well versed with the inner workings of GameMaker to answer this question. But I'm thinking, right, because the thing about array is that the memory, the data is contiguous, it's packed together. If you have such a huge number, right, as an index, it could mean that you're allocating a much bigger array that you're allocating a lot of memory, right, for a much bigger array than you actually need. I think maybe I need to talk about this with John, see what he thinks. Next for you is to get the guns in and the hands position. Nice. Need to get the aircon repaired. Huh? Our plan is to finish setting out this stream deck you got recently, then try to stream again as soon as possible. Tomorrow? That's great, man. As soon as possible, maybe tomorrow. Yeah, that's great. Maybe tomorrow. Hang on, I'm actually getting tired. Hang on. What was I doing again? Yes, I need to clean up this button. Delete. Like that. Let me see if there's a destroy function I need to call. Nope. No destroy function to call. Good. Your code is probably a mess. I mean, all of our code is a mess to some extent. If you work on a project long enough, there will be some parts of your code base that is not ideal. Okay, let's see. Oh, you'd like to share a bit of what you're working on? Yeah, yes, please. Please go ahead. Would it draw? Okay, let me draw it here. I think I need to update it also. Update button, there you go, update. Do I need a DT? Let's just put it in there. Not sure if I actually need the delta time. You fixed it? Ooh, what do you fix? Oh, is it the depth issue you were talking about? I'm not entirely sure what the depth issue is. Let's see. There needs to be space for the gun in between the player and the hand, so it's a little easier to clip the hand and the gun. So you need to rework your whole depth system. Right. Oh, not that. What is the one you fix? Oh, I see what you mean. I see what you mean. Cool, man. Anyway, I was just saying that there could be a problem, yeah, but I wasn't super sure. But I guess if you fix it, then there's no need to worry then. Yeah, but to be frank, I'm not super sure how big of a problem that is. Cool, man. So you did this map, right? This mapping. Oh no, Amanda. I was commenting on. So previously, Karazor had an ID here that could potentially be very big. So I was commenting on like maybe there might be some undesirable side effect in terms of memory usage. Yeah, but he fixed it, so no need to worry about it, I guess. Yeah. That said, right? Even though that said, our computers are so powerful these days. We can probably afford that extra memory. Oh, why is the offset is not enough? Let me add more. Offset is not enough. What the heck? 10 10. 10 10 is not enough. 18 18. You like the confetti? Yay! Thanks, man. Sorry, I think I missed out some messages. What am I currently trying to fix? I'm wait, me or is it Kazuo? I'm trying to put the cross button into the game. Not your potato laptop. This one, there you go. Oh, you know, it's too much to the left. I actually need to increase the. You know what? I need to increase the hitbox. Hang on, I need to. I forgot how I did the collision. Do I use the collision mask? Do I use the collision mask? Let me look at it. Collision detection. Yeah, I use the collision mask. But in that case, right? In that case, I need to resize this. Resize all frames. I'm going to resize it to. Resize canvas to maybe 150. 150. Make it big. There you go. Is this big enough? I'll resize the second one also. Ah! What just happened? What did I do? I need to undo it. No, I need to undo it. Why can't I undo it? Oh, freak. Let me re-import. Suddenly tiny. No, I expanded the canvas too much. I think it was in the wrong units, that's why. Yeah, it was in the wrong units. There you go. I want the percentage. Is this correct? Sorry, I need to check something. $21.26. Okay. Okay. And then let me look up which one is the mask. The one that is up is the mask, right? Collision mask is the up sprite. So this is the one that needs to be. Then I need to adjust the collision mask off. So I'll set to full image, big mask, and then I will adjust the offset. Then we'll try it again. And I think once this is done, right, I need to sleep. Goodness, it's past 3. It's time to go. Yeah, I'm always late. There we go. Oh, I realize I don't have. What the freak? Huh? What? I'm not doing a 12-hour stream. What happened to my origin? What the? Okay, fixed. God damn it. Yeah, I can't do that. Kazo, I'm not young like you. You're 39. I think if I do a 12-hour stream, I'll have a heart attack. Okay, let's see. Kazo's age is all over the place. I guess this is a good placement. I think it needs to be a bit lower. Hang on, it needs to be a bit lower. A bit lower. Also, I want to change something. Button. Zero 0.5 here. There's a magic number here, but I will keep this here. It's the only place where I need this number. Okay, and then I'll run it. Okay. You turned 39? I thought you turned 26. So young! I think I was 26 when I first started working on Space Jack. I think. Wait, why is it not compiling? What the hell? Okay. Yeah, he went clubbing at 10. at 16. Maybe. Seems fine. I do not know if I should. I think I should twin this button in. I should twin this button in. Should I? Yeah, I will not do it now. I'll do it tomorrow. Let's call it here, shall we? I think we can call it here. can barely think. Fake ID. Okay, it's 3:10 AM. It's 3:10 AM. It's time to go. It's time to go. Thanks everyone for hanging around. You know what? Let me do a quick recap. So basically, I have good news. The good news is that I have gotten response. I've gotten a response from the App Store editor, and they have given me a list of suggestions. So I'm going through the suggestions. One of the suggestions is that I should consider removing the jump button from the game. You know, because basically the entire screen is already the button, so there's no need for me to draw something there. So I took their suggestion and I removed the button. But removing the button means that I have to go to like different places in the game and make some minor adjustments. And that's what I did. They also mentioned that I have some UX problems, like there isn't an easy way to go back to quit back to menu. You know, when you're in between levels, right? There isn't a way for you to quit the game. So I added a button for that, but I have not written the code yet. I think I will do that tomorrow, since it's pretty late now. Yeah. Shout out Colorzor. Okay, anyways, it's time for me to go. Thanks everyone. Tomorrow we will be doing Death Chat again with Chow and John, and yeah, look forward to that. Okay everyone, see you all, bye bye.